What do you want to be? Si ate muna. Mamaya ka.
Okay, just skip.
Ah.
Okay. Ang dream ko ay maging artist. At ang dream ko isa pa ay maging cafe businesswoman. But my third job ako, non-dream.
Ano?
I want to be a game developer.
Paano?
I know.
Software?
Yep.
Paano?
Di ko alam. I don't know.
Gagawa ka ng game?
Yep.
Like ano? Like anong klaseng game?
Like a Roblox.
Pwede naman.
Yeah, I can be a developer.
Developer. O, ikaw naman, Kulasa. Your turn.
Your turn.
Anong gagawin mo paglaki mo?
I want to be a farmer and a dentist.
Why?
Because they're fun. Pero I want to be farmer basta lang.
Cute.
Why? Anong gusto mong itanim?
Or vegetables or dragon fruit or grapes, tomatoes, carrots.
Sino magraran ng business na Yummy Yummy?
Yummy. Her. Si Yum Yum.
Bakit?
Oh.
Ikaw?
Di mo may kape ka? Di mo ginasarap ka
Ay, di na sa Pilipinas man ako.
Ha? Bakit? Ano bang plano mo pagka-graduate?
I don't know, wait lang, after graduate, pwede magtrabaho?
Saan? Anong klase trabaho?
Dito lang?
Dito. Ikaw, Kulasa? Anong gusto mong work?
Wait lang, parang naisip ako muna.
Ano?
Gusto ko punta sa ibang bansa. Kaso magtrabaho pag-araw muna ako. At maghirap maayos.
Maghirap ng maayos.
Ay, sorry, I mean work hard lang.
Work hard. Maghirap
Sorry,
ng maayos.
sorry, may parang ko.
Work hard. Sige. Ikaw, wala sa. Gusto mo maging dentist? Bakit?
Because I want to fix people's broken tooth.
Ganun ba? Like your tooth?
Yeah, like mine.
Okay. Sige, I hope your dreams come true.
And I rather have that farm.
Ha?
When I grow old or enough, when I turn 20 or 24, I rather have a farm.
Hindi ka magbo-boyfriend.
Yeah, wag ko mag-boyfriend muna kasi ang aga-aga pa kasi magkaroon akong problema or else.
Yeah.
Like Natalie did.
Tawag dito. Sige. No boyfriend. Ikaw, kailan ka magbo-boyfriend?
Me?
Ikaw, when you turn like me? When you turn like me?
Let her talk. Ikaw. What do you think about boyfriend? Ano? Look at ate, oh. Gagalit si ate? Ano ba sabi ni ate sa'yo? Anong advice ni ate sa'yo?
Only when you turn 25 or 24 or 20.
Sure.
Anong sure?
Is it the biggest
May
yes?
crush ka na ba ulit?
No.
Wala.
Yes! Finally!
Nasaan yung dati mong crush?
Yung baby shark?
Asan na yun? Asan na yung baby shark? Hindi mo na classmate?
He go to another section, but now he's not longer my boyfriend.
What? Ha? Jama! Hay, ang aga mo sobra! You only 8!
Why? Bakit? Naging kayo ba nun?
I said
Naging boyfriend mo ba yun?
Hay, ang aga-aga mo!
Let her
No.
talk. Ano?
no. I say I don't have a boyfriend.
Sabi mo hindi na kayo boyfriend. Ibig sabihin naging kayo? Naging boyfriend mo ba yun? Ha?
Jamie, mais ace ka.
Ayan! I'm so disappointed at you.
Do you understand what you're saying?
So, magalit si daddy.
And ate to? Do you want your ate be mad too?
No.
Or you just don't know what it is?
You don't know what it
You just
means.
misunderstood.
Lol.
What? Anak, napipi na. It's okay, anak. It's okay. Okay, go back to dentist. Show me your teeth. Go ate, show me your tooth. Yeah, it's getting good na. Okay.
May naman toothbrush siya.
Sister, what are you drawing?
A project.
Okay.
Papalitan
I'm
ko na.
kind of like you're drawing. And what is this?
Para sa TLE.
Is that a manga glide glass?
Of course.
Is that a fan?
Hoy, tama ka.
Ano?
May... Tapos na
Okay,
yan?
tama na.